Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create smooth speed ramp effects in DaVinci Resolve 20. From adding speed points, adjusting timing, and smoothing the transitions, all the way to fixing choppy slow motion clips using Optical Flow. First, move the playhead to the point you need to slow down. Click the clip, right-click, then select Retime Controls. After that, click the drop-down arrow and select Add Speed Point. You will see the first speed point added. Add another speed point where you want the speed to come back to normal. Then select the drop-down arrow between those 2 points and go to Change Speed. You can select any given option here, then play the clip to check if it is perfect or not. Now let's smooth the transition between the two speeds. To do that, select Keyframes. This is available in Resolve 20. Choose Keyframe Curves. Ensure under the Parameters section that Retime Speed is checked. Now select the points that appear in the graph. In my example, I'm using ease in and ease out for both points. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the handles. Now play and confirm the effect is correct. After that, I do the same process to another section of the video using the exact same steps. To change clip speed, drag the retime handles. If your clip's FPS is low and the video is stuttering after the slow section, go to the inspector, then video, then retime and scaling. Under Retime Process, select Optical Flow. That will smooth your video. And that's how you can create smooth speed ramps in DaVinci Resolve 20. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.